guys, it's Channon Rose.
And Travis.
And today we are going to be doing a highly requested video, baby names we love but won't be using.
We're going to kill all the hints now, because everything that they thought it was, we're going to tell them and they'll be like, that's not what it is.
I know. So for those of you guys that don't follow our vlog channel, oh shoot, I forgot to give an update hint in today's pregnancy update video. So basically we've been giving hints in all of our vlogs videos. Like each week we give a baby name hint, and so many of you guys have been so into it. It's so much fun for us to come up with fun baby name hints and then for you guys to guess what they are. So a lot of people have been requesting this video. So we decided we're gonna go ahead and make it now that I'm over halfway through my pregnancy. So this maybe will help out with some of the hints since we're telling you names that we love but we're not picking. So I'll go ahead and start with the first one. We'll go through girl names first because we also have, should we do girl name and boy names?
I mean, the boy names are kind of obsolete, I guess, because we're having a girl.
Okay, well then I guess I'll just do the girl names. If you guys want to see another video where we do the boy names that we really liked, let us know down in the comment section.
Hashtag gender neutral. Why can't we the boy names be girl names?
Well, they can. Some of them can,
yes,
but...
they could.
Okay, so I'll start with the first girl name that we really loved. I think some of these I loved and he didn't, or, you know, back and forth. So the first name is Delta. Did you like that name?
I didn't really like that name.
Okay, so then I probably came up with that one. I thought that was a cool name.
The next one was Nova.
I picked that one.
You picked that one. Because I think of Chevy Nova and I think of, oh, like Casanova.
Really?
Friends call me Nova. As in Casanova.
That's pathetic.
I think of stars.
By the way, if this is your name, don't feel bad.
Yeah, because these are names that we literally loved. You know, they were on our list.
One of us liked them and the other one maybe didn't.
Yeah. Or we knew someone that already had the name, you know?
Yeah, there's I mean, a bunch of different reasons.
Yeah. And also, just so you know, these are very unique names, or at least we thought they were unique because we really want our kids to have unique names. So just letting you know. The next one was River Rose. And I really liked this name because I just think it's really pretty, but Kelly Clarkson, I think, has a daughter or a son. I think a daughter.
Named River?
Named
River
Rose. River Rose.
Oh, yeah, so that's
out. So, but I really love that name. I think it's beautiful, but yeah, that was out. Okay, you can do the next one.
Rain Rose.
Did you like that one?
Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah. Too many people have that name is the problem.
Yeah, I think Rain is a fairly popular
name, yeah.
Different name, like a popular different name, if that makes sense.
Right, yeah. Okay, so the next one was Ayana, or Aya, which I really, really loved that name.
I don't even remember that one.
That's because I probably added it without you knowing.
Oh. It's so sad.
Yeah, I really think that name's really pretty. Okay, you can do the next one.
Next one was Everly.
I really like that name too. But again, people had that name, and so we really wanted something that no one else that we knew had, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that seems like a kind of a common name.
Yeah, and then Bella, and then also Aria. We really loved those names, but again, too common of names for us, so those were out.
Total Bellas.
Yeah,
I think of that commercial.
And then Aria. My friend's sister's has a daughter named Aria, and I think it's so pretty.
I also have a hotel in Vegas named the same thing. I didn't write this one down.
I wrote this one down because it's from a TV show that I saw that I loved. What? So the next one is Lymon, and I know that it sounds so weird. It's like Gwyneth Paltrow naming her kid Apple or something, but this is from a show and I can't remember the name of the show. Oh, it's so good too. And her name's Lymon in the show, and I just thought it was so cute, such a cute, and I love that name.
Yeah, I didn't. It was the first time I saw that one. It
was definitely an out and no from him. And also I feel like that one was like a little too out there, you know? So that was a pass.
Next one was Hollywood.
Did you pick that?
I didn't pick that. I don't really have much to say about that one.
Okay. I thought Hollywood was a cool name, but also I knew everyone would call her probably Holly for short, and that's way too common of a name for me, so that one was out.
Next one was December.
He's not excited about any of these. He's like, next one's December. It's like calling out bingo names over here for Travis, what he sounds like.
Who's got December?
I really love like people that have a name after a month, like September, or I had an agent named September and I thought that was so cool.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's bad. Like I said, a lot of these ones I think that were some of your favorites. So
he picked more of the boy names out.
Yeah,
I think. Okay, the next one was Prairie. I thought that was really pretty.
The next one was Landia.
Yeah, I thought that was a cool name, Landia.
Landia.
And then Harlow. We really liked Harlow, but again, that's a pretty common name. Another name we really liked was Alaska. I think that that's really pretty.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But again, we knew people that had this name, so it wasn't unique enough.
Next one was Meadow. Yeah.
Travis is really into this video.
No, I like some of these I haven't seen. I don't really know what to say about them. They're just there. Like, I don't know, Meadow. I don't know. They're just, these are some of the reasons why we didn't pick some of them, because
our cat is yelling at us. He's probably hungry.
No, we just fed him.
You did?
Yeah.
You fed him lunch?
I fed him lunch, but he didn't even eat all of it.
I'm supposed to feed him lunch.
I know, but you were busy and stuff.
Well, you can come up here if you want to be in the video. Come here. Come up here.
He's just sitting here.
Literally just sitting there looking at us like, what are you guys doing? Why aren't you paying attention to me?
Yeah.
Okay, Elysium was another name that I thought was like a pretty name.
But not Elysium like E-L. You have an A-L-Y-S-S-I-U-M.
Yeah.
He's looking for a little butt scratch.
I know, I'm scratching him underneath like the table here.
Alicia, yeah.
No, Elysium.
No, I know, but that...
But with an A.
Yeah, I know. That would definitely get confusing for people.
Give me a kiss. I love you. The next one is Malibu, which I thought would be cute because we could call her Boo for short. Like B-U, not like B-O-O,
hey,
if that makes sense.
My boo.
Boo. Oh, I thought that would be cute, but Travis is like, that's a negative soldier.
Well, I think Malibu is a nice name and it's pretty, but I feel like it would be common or get pretty common.
Yeah, I think so too.
You know what I mean?
We're gonna save the one for last that a lot of you guys think that it is. When we give baby name hints, a lot of you guys have said this name.
Yeah.
That we actually are not using.
It's a really good guess though.
It is,
and
it's
I'm
really
very impressed and proud of you guys for thinking.
But we'll save
of
that
it.
for last. Okay, the next one.
Ocean.
Ocean. I think you picked that one.
Yeah, I think so. I like Ocean. That's nice.
I think they'd call her like Osh for short, and I feel like that's not cute.
Osh.
You know, like they try to come up with nicknames, like my mom calls me Shan.
Everybody, yeah, that's...
Osh? No.
Yeah, that's why, yeah, there are a lot of reasons why we ended up going with the name that we did.
Yeah.
But yeah, a lot of these would get abbreviated, and they would just be called something else different for short.
Yeah. Okay, the next one was Canyon. Did you like that one or no?
That one's okay. I don't know. It wasn't one of my favorite.
This one I'm pretty sure you came up with.
No.
You didn't?
No, I don't even know what that is.
Okay, the next one's Lakelyn. And
you must have seen that somewhere on some show or something. Lakelyn?
No, I didn't see that on some show. I actually have not heard this name, but I'm pretty sure if I looked it up, it would be a popular name, so that's why I said no.
Well, they would go Lake for short.
Yeah.
People would just call them Lake.
Yeah, and I don't like that.
Or
name.
Lynn.
Yeah, no. The next one was Luna. Do you want to do the last one?
This is the last one.
This is one that I came up with clearly.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So the last one is Glycerine.
And Travis, that's like an ingredient, right? That's like
that is an ingredient, yeah.
But I wasn't thinking of it as an ingredient. I was thinking of it as like a pretty girl name. You know that song Glycerine?
Like dynamite, like nitroglycerin? No,
but like there's a song called Glycerine.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
I know.
And I love the name.
Glycerine.
Oh my God, way to ruin a really perfectly amazing song. That's not how it goes at all.
Yes, that's exactly how it goes.
That's not how it sounds.
Glycerine.
No. Okay, no, you're killing it. You're killing it and not in a good way.
I'll warm up my voice a little bit, you know?
Let's not.
You're so sad to me and my my voice.
You actually have a really good voice sometimes,
I know.
and then sometimes no.
I know.
You know?
I have a pretty good voice.
You.
My vibrato and tremolo and pitch, perfect.
Do you...
I used to be in an a cappella band back in high school.
He used to lie a lot.
I'm so old they didn't even have a cappella back when I was in high school.
Oh my god.
I wish that they did, because I would be the pitch perfect guys.
You would be. You would have been one of the pitch perfect guys. Okay, are you guys ready? We saved the best for last. This is our last girl name that we loved but didn't use. Do you want to say it at the same time?
Oh my god.
To make it really cheesy and fun?
Oh my gosh. I thought you would never ask.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 16!
Oh, and that was so perfect the way that it came out. Just rolled off the tongue.
16! That's a name that we love and that I've talked about in a past video, but we are not using it.
Yep. Oh my gosh. Now your guys' guesses need to start all over again.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and if for some reason you don't see our videos showing up in your feed, know that we're still posting, so come manually check our channel, because most likely there'll be a video up. So thank you again so much for watching. We are sending you all of our love and all of our positive energy, and we hope to see you in our next video. Mwah!